Changing your primary email on Ally Invest is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address successfully. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Ally Invest website and log in using your current credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready. Step 2. Access account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings menu, look for an option labeled Email Preferences or Contact Information. Click on this option to proceed to the email settings. Step 4. Update your primary email. Find a field for your primary email address. Enter your new email address in the designated area. Ensure that you double-check for any typos before proceeding. Step 5. Save changes and verify. After entering the new email, click the Save or Update button to confirm your changes. You may receive a verification email at your new address. Follow the instructions in that email to complete the update process. Once you've completed these steps, your primary email on Ally Invest will be successfully changed. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Ally Invest customer support for assistance.